Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by inserting the image into Word or PowerPoint and selecting it so the Image Format tab shows. You want decent contrast, so the automatic mask does more work for you. Once the Image Format tab is visible, click Background Removal immediately. The app will try to detect the subject and shade the background. Do this now so you can refine the selection. Leaving it later makes the outline harder to edit. These first steps get you into the removal workspace quickly and accurately. Once the preview appears, refine the mask using mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove, alternating between them. Zoom in to about 200% for hair, transparent objects, or uneven edges, and draw short strokes rather than long ones to avoid accidental changes. Make sure to toggle any checkbox for preserving or deleting cropped areas depending on whether you want a reversible edit. As you adjust, the magenta mask updates. Keep toggling tools until the subject edges look correct before committing the change. When the selection is clean, click Keep Changes to apply the removal. You can always undo with Ctrl+Z and try again. If you need a transparent PNG, save the slide or export the image with transparency supported. If the edges look jagged after saving, reinsert the original picture and repeat the refine step using smaller strokes or the Remove Background tool again. One key troubleshooting tip: if automated removal fails, use a third-party background remover or manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.